clock's nearly finished.
Yes.
What'll happen to it then?
Oh, it'll be used. When it's finished, government department's moving in. Income tax, probably.
All that for the sake of security?
How else can you cover up the excavating of a couple of million cubic feet of earth?
I hear they're installing a voice print identification mechanism.
Yes, I tried out the prototype last week. It identified me as a female technician from Dublin. They said it was only a teething problem.
Well, they could be right. Come to think of it, you do look like one. A female technician from Dublin. Nice to see you smile again, Ed.
Well, fellas.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Well, how's it all going?
Slow, but we'll get there. Well, we are a bit behind, but I think we can make it up later.
Good. That's what I like to hear. Let's take a look at the office, Alec.
See you later. Well, it's all beginning to take shape.
Yes, this is it. SHADO HQ. The nerve center of the whole organization.